Welcome to my review of this Hisense fridge freezer model number RQ689N4AC1. Thank you to AO for giving me the opportunity to review this appliance. This is a large freestanding fridge freezer, 91 centimetres wide, 1 metre 81 centimetres tall and 74 centimetres deep. If you're thinking of putting this appliance in a corner, just bear in mind that you also need to allow at least 10 centimetres either side for opening the doors. It's a smart looking appliance with 4 doors that open easily using the robust handles to reveal the fridge, freezer and my fresh choice zone, which can be used as a fridge or a freezer by setting the temperature with the control panel. Here's the control panel. To use it, we can press the unlock for 3 seconds until it beeps. Then displays the temperatures of each zone, the fridge, my fresh choice and the freezer. And you can adjust the temperatures by pressing there for the fridge. It can also be turned off, as can the My Fresh Choice option. There's the freezer. There are 3 modes. There's an artificial intelligence mode, which keeps the fridge at 5 degrees and the freezer at -18. There's a holiday mode in case you go on holiday for long periods, and that sets the fridge to 15 degrees. And there's a super freeze function, which puts the freezer at -25. And that also switches itself off. So keep it on artificial intelligence. Inside the fridge, there's ample room for a big family shop, and it can hold 33 bags of shopping. The doors have deep adjustable storage racks, which can be removed to be washed. As you can see, it holds a 2 litre bottle of milk. You can probably fit 3 in there. There's a 2 litre bottle of pop. It comes with these egg trays, which you can use if you want. It has adjustable shelves. You can see you can adjust them in 2 different levels. The top one is not adjustable. I suppose you could take that out. The drawers are nice and big for storing your veg, fruit and more veg. Plenty of storage. The unit features a cleaning technology called Nano Triple Fresh. There's the sign for it. It cleans itself, degerms and moisturises, which extends the storage of your food. You can also manually set this function with a control panel, but it's not necessary. It also features a multi-airflow system, which keeps your fridge running at optimum efficiency. I like the way the fridge closes with this. It's extra security. In the freezer, the drawers are a decent size. I've got this My Fresh Choice zone set to freeze. So we have this removable ice tray where you can have it in the drawer and pour your water into these slots, and then when it's frozen you can twist the ice, it drops into the into the tray below. And as it's removable, if you need more storage in your freezer, you can keep that outside. It also has these removable trays, which you can use to store cold food on. Good for parties. I thought that was a nice feature. The drawers are big enough to hold a 10-inch pizza. That box is 11.5 inches. I like how I can have each drawer designated for a food group. So I'll have veg in one drawer, meat in another, ice creams in another. And that's it for the freezer. So in conclusion, this is a very large fridge freezer with awesome storage capacity and clever technology that keeps your food fresher for longer. Thank you for watching.